Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply SSL certificate to your website. So first of all you have to go to your cPanel of your website, then open file manager and then click on SSL TLS. Here you can see expiry date of your existing certificate, whether it got expired or not. Then you have, in case your SSL certificate got expired, then you have to install a fresh SSL certificate. For this you have to select the domain or name of website for which you want to install the SSL certificate. Then for getting the same we have to visit the website. So there are various websites which provide free SSL certification. So today we are going to using the Punchslad website, from which it is very easy to install a new SSL certificate. So first of all you just have to fill few details like domain name of your website, your email address. Then you have to accept the term and conditions, then simply click the generate certificate. Now follow the procedure step by step. First of all you have to download a file, then it is to be uploaded to the folder Acme Challenge under well-known folder inside the root directory. So for that you have to go your file manager through cPanel, then locate the folder public_html. Then if you have done certification earlier, then there is a folder well known, and inside that Acme Challenge, browse for the file which is downloaded earlier, then just click for uploading the same. Next step is to verify that whether the file is uploaded to right folder or not. This can be checked through the link provided on the certification site. Then just click the verify domain and you will got certificate plus CA bundle along with private key. Now just copy paste the certificate part, so copy it carefully so that just paste the certificate in certificate CRT column. Now next copy the next part, which is CA bundle, and following the same way paste the CA bundle in your cPanel. Now last we have to copy the public key, and paste it on cPanel. After that click install certificate. So in this way you can apply SSL certificate to your website absolutely free for 90 days. So now as you can see the date for expiration. So hope you like the video. Please